Hello and welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Reggae singer Nesbeth will soon leave for his second leg of the My Dream 2023 six-week tour in Europe and Africa. The singer, who is known to connect with his audiences through his conscious music, will kickstart the tour in Italy on Friday. The tour will then continue through Germany and Belgium before ending in Nairobi, Kenya on February 23. Nesbeth told E-Prime what it was like preparing for such a big move.
Preparation for this tour was paramount. Serious attention would have given to rehearsal, choice of song, languages, security, fitness, climate, welfare, transportation, and of course, I have to be vocally ready. So the preparation for my vocal is really and truly something that, we'd have definitely make sure that it is on point. Drink when we need to drink, eat when we need to eat, so that the voice can stay up there, strong. Is what I say. And of course, you know that I'm not the type of a person that will just stay one place on the stage. I like to utilize the four corners of my stage. I like to be on stage having fun while giving inspirational words and so on and so forth.
Meanwhile, Nesbeth recently did a collaboration with reggae artist Frasman Brilliant on their single Friends, which comes a month after his collab with dancehall artist Jashi. The artist also gave us a sneak peek of his latest video.
Now I can talk out with them young. Some friends are better than family too. When family now, my friend never do. Every day I pray for you. Me have some people me cherish. Some pray none of them never perish.
Dancehall artist Jada Kingdom says her debut album will be released this year. The Wind singer made the announcement on her official Instagram page earlier this week, but a date for the release is yet to be announced. The album comes after her New Motion EP, which was released last year. Jada had a relatively good year in 2022, especially with the release of her hit song, GPP. She toured extensively across the Caribbean and North America. However, she shared some struggles in 2022, including her bipolar disorder and a miscarriage. Now, on the international scene, Angela Bassett makes history. Bassett last night won the Golden Globe Award for Best Supporting Actress in a Film for Black Panther: Wakanda Forever, becoming the first performer to win a Globe in the acting category for their role in a Marvel film. Bassett accepted the trophy for her role of Queen Ramonda in the movie sequel, which was marked by the absence of late star Chadwick Boseman. In her acceptance speech, Bassett spoke about the loss of Boseman and how the Wakanda Forever cast and crew came together.
We mourned, we loved, we healed, and we were surrounded each and every day by the light and the spirit of Chadwick Boseman.
She also addressed Marvel fans, thanking them for embracing the characters and showing them so much love. Other award winners at the night show were Austin Butler, Eddie Murphy, Zendaya, Colin Farrell, and a few others. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.